Excellency the Prime Minister, governors who are here this afternoon, my colleagues, members of Parliament, and all people of goodwill, business people in Nakuru, Your Excellency, as Chebet has said, Nairobi and Nakuru somehow governorate, politically they are almost the same in terms of the mixture of the people. Nairobi is a cosmopolitan city, and Nakuru is also a cosmopolitan city. And for a long time, me in Nairobi have fought this old man for many years. Let's admit it. Not because he has done anything to Maina Commander or to our community, just because he was competing with one of us. Kuna shida ingine? Shida ya Raila Central kwa sababu alikuwa anasimama na Kibaki na Uhuru, ama kuna shida ingine? Hatuna shida ingine ambayo tumekuwa na huyu mzee. And to me, from the time of 9th March 2018, I saw a different man. There are some people who did not see that this country was burning. And they are still in power now. I couldn't have imagined this old man agreeing to talk to our president, because he was almost going to take power by force. He was almost going to State House by force. But from the goodwill and the leadership that the two people, God touched them and they came together, our country became a different country, and that's why we are here, all of us, talking about handshake and uniting and talking about uniting the entire country. Your Excellency, I read a committee of cohesion and equal opportunities in Parliament. I was not happy about that committee because I was thinking, why have I been given this useless committee? But now I have come to realize it's the best committee that Maina Commander was given, because it was a committee to unite and to bring the entire country together. At one time, Your Excellency, we could not have met even as committee members. We used almost to fight. But from 9th March 2018, my committee became coherent enough, and from that time, Your Excellency, we have been moving very on. I want to say here that I know, and I have been in this politics for a while with Kinajenga Mugai and the rest who are here. If it was not for this old man here, even those who has been elected before, even Kibaki and Uhuru, it's as a result of the democracy that this old man has brought. Tuseme ukweli, hata ile matunda wamekula wamejifunia ni ile hii mzee amepigania. Today I still call him a Mandela of Kenya. And to us, people of Mount Kenya, how many Mount Kenyans people are here? Hands up. And Mount Kenya shikueni mkono. Ni mondo wanyu liko uragetwa ni mundu rio. Ni mondo liko uragete. Na niketo rero wateto tigemwedia centro. Angikoro kore maturete na ni marathiururuka ri. Uyu arete u. Uyu arete u. Kwa hivyo tuachane na upusi wa kudanganywa na watu. That this man is very difficult to sell in Central. Where? Tunangoja siku ifike, tutembee na mzee huyu, tutaingia. Hajasema, he has never even declared whether he will be a candidate or not. But mzee, I want to tell you, don't be afraid. Even Zambia, yesterday, they elected a leader who had tried 6 times. Mara 6. Kwa hivyo ziambiwe na mtu ati umejaribu mara 4 3. No. This thing can go even 10 na Mungu akujalie ni ya wakati gani. Kwa hivyo sisi tunasema we know na tunajua tuna kiongozi ambaye anaweza unganisha Kenya hii. Huyu mzee hata sisi kwa Kikuyu tunasema muthuri akora ni kurathima rathima gaciana. Neguo ateneke yakaga. Hata hii mzee jameni, kuna nani kama hajafanya madhambi zaidi atafanya akiwa na miaka yake? And we have the president of wapi? USA 78. Wewe mzee kaa ngumu bado. Wewe kaa ngumu wewe bado. Sisi Nairobi tunasema tunajua handshake ililete nini. And when I talk about handshake in Nairobi, I know how our people have benefited from that handshake and how we have benefited as community because of that handshake. Those thieves, they are the ones who are giving us a lot of problem because of the money they have stolen. Lakini tumwambia Mungu, hiyo pesa watamwaga na dakika ya mwisho. They will not be the president of this country. Asante sana na Mungu awabariki.